Children, today in English, once again we take gender of nouns. Now, in gender of nouns, we have got 4 types of gender. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Out of these 4 genders, children, we have already learned masculine and feminine gender. Let's revise the masculine and feminine gender. We have here masculine gender, the names or the nouns for males, that is boys and men, come under the masculine gender. Feminine gender, the names or the naming words or nouns for females, that is girls and women, come under feminine gender. Today, children, we will learn about 2 more types of gender, and they are the common gender and the neuter gender. What you see here are some naming words. They are the pictures of some naming words. Some of them come under the category of neuter gender and some under common gender. Now let us see what is this common and neuter gender about. A naming word or noun that refers to either a male or a female is said to be a common gender. So any naming word that refers to a male or a female is said to be a common gender. For example, you have got a boy and a girl. Now, when I say boy, you know it is a masculine gender. When I say girl, you know it is a feminine gender. But suppose you don't know whether it is a masculine or feminine gender, then we say it's a common gender. Now, let's see some examples of them. Let us see some examples of common gender. We have the first naming word, student. Another name for student is pupil. Now, student and pupil mean the same. Here, the naming word student and pupil refers either to a boy student or pupil or to a girl student or pupil. Now, when I use the word student, in your mind, a child comes, but you don't know whether that student is a boy or a girl. So, such nouns are common gender. So, we will say that the words student and pupil belong to the common gender. That is because a student and pupil can be a boy, it can also be a girl. Let's take another example, friend. Now, when you say friend, the word friend, the gender is not clear. You don't know whether it's a masculine gender or a feminine gender. A friend can be a girl. A friend can also be a boy. So you see, children, a friend can be a girl or a boy. So the noun friend is a common gender. So words which can be a girl, which can also be a boy, such nouns are common gender. Let's take another example, parent. The word parent doesn't tell us whether we are talking about the mother or the father. When you say parent, we don't know whether the parent is a mother or the father. So the noun parent is a common gender. Another example, doctor. The word doctor refers to a male or a female doctor. So when you say doctor, we have doctors who are males, we also have doctors who are females. So the word doctor is common for both. So we say that the noun doctor is a common gender. Teacher. A teacher can be a female. A teacher can also be a male. So we say that the noun teacher is a common gender. The word teacher is common for a male and a female. Some more examples of common gender are lawyer. We can have a lady lawyer and a gent lawyer, that is a male lawyer. Pilot. We have a male and a female pilot. The name pilot is common. So when you say pilot, you don't know whether the pilot is a male or a female. Dancer, we can have a male dancer and a female dancer. Baby, a baby can be a baby girl. It can also be a baby boy. Singer, you can have a male singer and a female singer. Children, in children you can have boys and girls. So a child can be a girl, a child can also be a boy. So children is the plural form of child. So children, you can see all these words are common for males and females. So they are called common gender. All the above nouns refer to a male or a female person. Any naming word that can be used for a male or a female is called a common gender. Now let's move on to the next gender, that is neuter gender. Now what are neuter gender? Nouns that are not males nor females and are non-living things are said to be of the neuter gender. Let's listen to this once more. All the naming words or nouns that are not males, that is, they are not boys or men, nor are they females, that is, they are not girls or ladies or women, but they are non-living things. They don't have life, they are non-living. Such naming words or nouns belong to the neuter gender. Let's take some examples of neuter gender. What you see here is a chair. This is a chair. Now children, chair is not a male nor a female. It is not a boy, nor is the chair a girl. It is a non-living thing. It has no life. The chair doesn't grow, it doesn't breathe, it doesn't need food to eat. It is a non-living thing. So the noun chair is a neuter gender. This is a television. A short form for television is TV. The television is not a male nor a female. Once again, we don't say the television is a boy, nor do we say that the television is a girl. The television is a non-living thing. So the noun television is a neuter gender. So children, neuter gender are nouns that refer to non-living things. Please keep this in mind. Non-living things are neuter gender. Let's see some more examples of neuter gender. Here we have a school, which is a non-living thing. It's not a male nor a female. An eraser, which we use daily. This again is not a male nor a female, and it is a non-living thing. Cloud, not a male, not a female, non living thing. Mountain, scissors, they're all non living things. Cupboard, clothes, the clothes that we wear, and the table. So, all these things which you can see here are examples of the neuter gender. They are all non living things and they are also naming words.